Welcome to Off-Grid Contracting. And in this video today, what you see before you is a 20 kW block ballast ground mount install. And I thought what we could do is, in the process of the finish work that we're doing right now, is show you kind of how we do it. As you can see right here, you've got landscape fabric that we start with. And then it comes to right here, which is the wire behind, and then the block, this cap block that holds it down. And that makes a good seal right there where the critters and leaves and stuff don't get up under your panels. Now, if you walk out here, I want to say a thank you to our customers that let us film this stuff. Now right here, what you see is the final product. If you look down this way right here, you can see a straight, nice leveled out surface. And we do just a little bit more of adjustment with the blocks and stuff at the end. That right there is the end result. And you can look out that way and you can just see how nice that all comes together. And this has actually been done on a slope, and it's sloped back this way too. So we're kind of working toward a triangle. And I'll take you inside the building here in just a minute and we'll show you that. But we're going to finish this up while we still got daylight, because it's our last day here working. Took us 2.5 weeks. Me and my wife that's holding the phone. That's it. We're a mom and pop company. We did all this, and we'll show you what we done in there in just a minute. But we're going to finish this up first. All right, guys. So now we're inside the shed. The customer shed is wired for lights. We've got the service over here on the wall. It comes in to the output load panel here. We've got a lightning arrestor protection. We've got EMP protection on the AC. All three inverters parallel together. We've got the gateway connect system. Customer can watch their system remote from their property. We have the OTG boards that we build here at Off-Grid Contracting. We started this trend. Other people's picked it up, other companies. But I actually was the first one to build this stuff. No joke, if you go back, especially look it up on YouTube. But we've got the combiner box on here. We've got the Midnight Classic 150. We've got the DC protection going out. We've got EMP shield on it, lightning arrestor, the works. It's all dumps out to a ground rod. Got number 4 green wire, ground bonding all of this together out to the ground rod going out. Now we have this where the system can run generator only, or we have it where that it can run off grid with generator supplement. So what's happening is, you can see this one little cord dangling at the moment. The customer's AGS right here. We're waiting on the new generator that's coming, because right now they're running like a 50 amp gen rack, just plug in outside into it. But when the new one arrives, then they will have EMP protection on it, a lightning arrestor that'll be added, and they'll be able to have a lot more service input coming in. So what you have here, from right to left on the AC side of things, generator input panel, where it feeds through the system to help charge. This is actually the unit, number 3 units being the charger unit right now, if it's needed. And then this right here bypasses all the way to where, if the system failed, they can still run their whole property, their whole farm, off the generator only. Like I said, the customer's remote monitoring their system right now, so they can check on this at any point in time. The power out here is keeping the air conditioning system, keeping this cool. It's nice and just crisp in here. This equipment's ice cold, you know, cables are cold, and that's the way you want it to run. And we built this for these people in 2 weeks and maybe 2 days change. Let me tell you, when we first started this, I've been at this almost a decade now. I have never seen weather like this project. This goes to show you the dedication we have for customers. It started out warm and sunny, then went to cloudy and cold, cloudy and rainy. Then it actually came a snow blizzard while we were here. So we've seen a gambit from almost 90 degrees all the way down to the 30s. And then it came back rain, and they had a flash flood here, and the town was almost underwater. And then after that, today, it is just like, 80 degrees out here and melting down. So folks, I mean, we're dedicated to getting these things done for you. You pay us a lot of money, but this is what we produce. Now this particular customer has a complete off-grid substation now, 20 kW input, 60 kW battery bank. They can add more if they want to. They can fill this battery bank up in a matter of hours. I mean, they're going into the night right now, and they've used it throughout the day, and almost full battery bank. I mean, this is the trip. Now, these batteries, the last thing I'll say, these are 180 amp hour pure lead carbon batteries. They've worked out really great for us, for customers. Have had no complaints. And I just think that moving forward, you know, unless people just absolutely have to have or want lithium, you know, this is what we're going to continue to offer people, because we've had no problems really out of it. So with that said, guys, if you want to check us out, make sure to check us out at offgridcontracting.com. And until next time, to see you, I look forward to working for you.